What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at two cases that I just picked up from Speck for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. This one is the Pro Folio, and this one right here is the Balance Folio. Let's get them open, check them out. But before we get into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button so I can keep giving you more great content on this channel. Now, with all that being said, first thing we're going to do is open up the Balance Folio. I'm going to slide the other one to the side. Balance Folio. Now, I picked both of these up at Best Buy. You're going to pay anywhere from about $29.99 to $39.99 for these cases. One of them was on sale, I think it was this one. It was like 29 bucks. But like I said, anywhere from $29.99 to $39.99 for these cases. Right away, I'm noticing you have no magnetic. It doesn't seem magnetic. It seems hard up here at the front, but I'm not quite sure. We'll see when we get the iPad in there. So you got microfiber lining right here on the inside, both sides. You're going to protect the front and the back of your iPad at the same time. You get your Speck logo right here, your branding, nice hard TPU. You got more Speck branding back here. Right now, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different orientations out of this stand. You got a clip on the side, so I'm assuming it's probably not magnetic, and they put that clip on there. And the outside is like a polyester carbonate. I don't know. It's a slippery material, but it's gonna be easy to clean. It's something you can just wipe off. Let's drop the iPad in and see what we get. Okay, so once we get the tablet in here, let's snap it in. Snaps in really nice. We're going to test first thing for that sleep weight functionality. Okay, turn it off. Okay, there we go. Has to close all the way. So this was impeding, that was holding that. So if it is closed all the way, you open it, you get your sleep weight functionality. Now, there is a groove right here on the side where you're going to be able to put a pencil. Apple Pencil goes there, Apple Pencil charges. We got that on deck. Remember I told you get 6 different orientations, just like that. So you're just gonna move it along those grooves. You get those 6 different orientations. You're gonna close it. It's not magnetic, remember I told you. You're gonna snap that hinge, you're good to go. So right away, I'm liking this case. Your pencil is gonna be nice and secure on the inside. You're gonna be able to charge your pencil on the go. So your buttons are actually open. Speaker ports, everything is loose down bottom. Everything looks good. Up top, speaker ports are great. Remember, you get your sleep weight functionality. You're gonna clip that and you're gonna be off to go. It's very sleek, very sturdy. You got hard edges that's gonna protect your iPad. So yeah, this one is pretty much a go. Looks good, fits good. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the Pro Folio. So coming in next, this is the Speck Pro Folio. If I can get it out of here, it should just slide right out. And I forgot to mention the Balance Folio is drop tested up to 4 feet, so it should survive most drops. And Pro Folio up to 6 feet. Let's get this one on. Let's check it out. All right, so we get it's a nice hard plastic clear backing right here. You got your Speck logo up top. No microfiber in the back, so you're just gonna be dealing with this hard plastic. Once again, you get 6 different orientations that you can stand your tablet in. Let's drop our iPad over in there and see how it looks. Now this shell. I thought so. Okay, Siri, calm down. This shell is rubberized. It's similar to the OtterBox Symmetry series. This one also is not magnetized, but you do have the clip on the side. Now, I have the tablet in there, making sure we got sleep weight functionality. That's one of the biggest things. We do have sleep weight functionality. It is on deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got different orientations. And if you flip this over, you get another orientation mode just like that for typing. The Balance Folio does that as well. So the Balance Folio will also give you that orientation. I just forgot to mention that part. Now over here, you do not get Apple Pencil charging on the go. So you will have to take this out to charge it. They do give you a slot over here on the side where you're going to put your pencil. Now, only discrepancy I have with this slot on the side is it's going to be a little tricky to get your pencil out. There's not a real notch to stick your finger into. And you're going to be able to put your pencil right there, I'm assuming. Yep, because the back doesn't go in there. So you're just going to stick your tip down in there and hold it up. Which, that's a little inconvenient from time to time, but it snaps in perfectly. You're not charging on the go though. That's one of the big downfalls about this case. It is more rugged than the other one, the Balance Folio. Which of the two would I recommend? Probably the Balance Folio. Balance Folio is going to give you everything that you need. You actually get the charging on the outside, and you're going to get the protection on the inside. Remember, there's a 2-foot drop distance. This one is 4-foot drop tested. This one is 6-foot drop tested. This one is harder, has a harder shell, has harder edges. You're going to get more protection out of this one. Buttons are nice and tactile on this one as well. Remember that you're touching the actual buttons on this one of the actual tablet. Over here, you do have the plasticky button covers, but they're still nice and tactile. Speakers are nice and open. Charging port looks good, and our camera is perfectly down in that recess. So it's a good deal, but you're going to give up your Apple charging on the go, Apple Pencil charging on the go. So if that's not a big deal to you, if that's not a deal breaker, this would be a great case for you to have. Like I said, 2 great cases, both by Speck. I like magnetic cases, and I also like cases that charge my pencil. So for me, both of these cases are probably going to be a no-go, but for somebody, you may like these cases. This is the Speck Balance Folio, and this is the Speck Pro Folio. Anywhere from $29.99 to $39.99. You can get these at Best Buy. I've seen them at Best Buy and on the Speck website. So go by and check them out when you get a chance. Until next time, peace.